Welcome to Rocksensor, where precision, reliability, and innovation come together to power your process performance. In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to connect MODBUS POLL via RS485 with your RF3200 Coriolis Mass Flowmeter. Whether you're setting up communication for data logging, process control, or monitoring, this tutorial ensures a smooth and efficient integration. Let's begin by establishing the RS485 MODBUS connection to the RF3200 Coriolis Mass Flowmeter using connector. Configure RS485 MODBUS on RF3200 display. Step 1. Enter the main menu. Press the Enter button, E, on the RF3200 Flowmeter display. Step 2. Navigate to configuration. Use the up and down arrow buttons to scroll through the menu. Once highlight, press Enter, E. Step 3. Go to Communication Configuration. Scroll to Communication Configuration and press Enter, E. Step 4. Select MODBUS settings. Select MODBUS and press Enter, E. You will see the following key parameters to configure: RS485 baud rate, RS485 parity, RS485 stop bit, RS485 data bit, MODBUS slave address, float byte order, 16-bit byte order, MODBUS SD. Ensure all these settings of Flowmeter are correctly configured to match your system requirements. Set up MODBUS POLL software on your computer. Step 1. Open MODBUS POLL. Launch the MODBUS POLL software and click on Connection in the top menu. Step 2. Set serial port communication. Under Connect, select your available COM port. Check via Device Manager. Step 3. Match serial settings. Set the following parameters to match the RF3200 settings: baud rate, data bits, parity, stop bits. Step 4. Define read/write settings. Go to Setup, Read/Write Definition. Enter the following: slave ID, as per the RF3200 setting. Function code. Select read/write registers. Starting address. Enter the address of the register to read. Number of registers, based on the size of the parameter. Scan rate. Set as needed. Refer to the RF3200 documentation for commonly used MODBUS register addresses you may want to monitor in MODBUS POLL. Run communication and verify data in MODBUS POLL. Step 1. Start communication. Click on Connect or Auto Connect in MODBUS POLL. If configured correctly, data will begin to populate in the table. Step 2. Verify live data. Observe the live updates in the table. Check values such as flow rate, temperature, other process variables. Ensure the displayed data is accurate and corresponds to the expected values from the RF3200 Flowmeter. You have successfully connected MODBUS POLL over RS485 to the RF3200 Coriolis Mass Flowmeter. You can now monitor real-time process data, fine-tune configurations, leverage the performance and precision of your RF3200 system. Visit the Rocksensor website for expert guides, product insights, technical support. If you watched a video tutorial, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content. Tap the bell icon to stay updated.